Hello, Auntie Jen here with a very simple gluten-free fried potato recipe that's easy to make and I know you're going to love it. It tastes great. So let's get started. This is everything you'll need to make Auntie Jen's simple fried potato recipe. Okay, we're going to add first our olive oil to our skillet. And we're just going to add enough to cover the bottom, about like so. Okay, now it's time to peel the potatoes. And we're just going to peel the skin off, just like so. And I got to tell you, my grandmother used to make fried potatoes like I'm going to show you. And they were delicious. She always diced her potatoes. She never sliced them or shredded them or did anything like that. But they were delicious, and I'm going to show you how she fixed them. Okay, so we've got our potato peeled now, so we need to wash it off. I always wash my knife as well. Now, if there's any bad spots, like see this little brown spot right here? There's a little brown spot there. You just cut those off if you see anything on it. Okay, now it's time to dice it up in the skillet. All right, to dice them, we're just going to slice them long ways like this. Kind of thick. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like about an inch apart. And then you're going to slice in the other direction, like so. Now we're just going to take our knife and lop off the tops. If you got a big piece at the end, you can just chop those up. All right. And if you see a big piece that looks kind of big like that, you could just take and chop that one up too. Make it a little smaller. Okay. So while I finish peeling the rest of these potatoes and dicing them, I want to show you a good gluten-free tip. Okay, as you can see, we have all the potatoes diced. Now it's time to set our temperature. So we're going to turn on the large side burner. Mine has a large and a small burner size. So we're going to turn them on to about the 7 level. We want it pretty high to start because we want them to brown a little bit on the outside to seal in the flavor. So let's start that at 7. Okay, we've been frying our potatoes about 4 or 5 minutes. And so now we're just going to take our spatula and turn them over a little bit. And you can see some of them are starting to get a little brown, and that's what we want. We want it to get a little brown on the outside. Okay, we're going to let it fry another 3 or 4 minutes before we stir again. Okay, it's been frying about another 3 minutes. Okay, we're getting brown on this side. That's what we want to do. Okay. Now it's time to turn our temperature down a little bit. So we're going to turn it down to about around the 3 level. So now we want them to get done. Because if you don't turn them down, they're just going to burn and it's not going to be done in the middle. So you want to make sure after they get the brown color on the outside that you turn your temperature down. You can continue to stir them just every little bit. You just don't want them to burn. Okay, our potatoes have been frying a total of about 20 minutes. And the way to tell if they're done is you can take the edge of your spatula and just press into one of the potatoes. If you can cut into a potato and it cuts through without feeling any hardness in it, then the potatoes are done. Okay, let's turn our stove off. And we're moving them to our bowl. And I don't know if you can see that, but I've just dumped them in the bowl. I hope you enjoy these Auntie Jen's gluten-free fried potatoes as much as I do and my family does. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and to share this video so others can learn how to do this as well. All right, Auntie Jen signing off, and I'll catch you on the next recipe.